Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Welcome on into today's video. This is a humongous Bath & Body Works haul. 2 times a year I will shop Bath & Body Works when they do their semi-annual sale. And I love to do this because I stock up on soaps and then I stock up on gift ideas. So let me open this really quickly and I'll show you what I got. Alright, first up, I'll dive into soaps. And I love to shop this time of year, especially during the semi-annual sale. That's why I shop it when I do, is because the soaps are only $2.75, you guys. I'm not paying $8 for these. There's no way. So I like to stock up. We have 2 bathrooms and then 1 in the kitchen, so I go through 3 to 4 a month. So I like to stock up and have enough for the year. First up is whipped coconut milkshake. And I typically opt for the foaming hand soap versus the other one. I just have a preference for this one. I like the way that they smell. I like the texture and stuff, and I don't feel like they over dry my hands. Next up, I got 2 of the JOUER the Doggone Best rainbow cereal. So I'm hoping it gives Fruity Pebbles / Fruit Loops vibes. Plus, I mean, how cute is that? Next up, I got pineapple mango. Wanted to definitely get some that were more like summery vibes. I got the rose and amber, which I've never smelled this one, I don't think. So if you have, let me know. This is soft rose petals, warm amber, and rich vanilla. I'll do the notes on these as well. The pineapple mango, probably pineapple and mango. Fresh pineapple juice, mango, and vine-ripened raspberry. The JOUER the Doggone Best is fragrance notes, fruity cereal crunch, and a splash of milk. So I'm assuming, you know, Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles vibes. The whipped coconut milkshake is vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. Oh, I'm gonna love that. Next up is the sweet strawberry scoop. This is sugared pink strawberries with vanilla bean ice cream. And then I got not 1, not 2, but 3 electric limeade. This is frozen limeade, strawberry swirl, and a sea salt trim. I love this one. It's the one that we just used up in our master bath. To me, it smells very much like a fizzy, like sweet tarts. That is exactly what it smells like. It just is reminiscent of that for me. Brings back all the nostalgic yummy feels, and I love it. So stocked up on the soaps, of course, and this is the only time again that I shop, and I really am mindful about how many am I going to need between like this sale and the next sale, because I do only shop it twice a year. But I mean, to get these, they're typically $8 to get, you know, get them for $2.75. You can't beat it. And then the rest of it is all like Bath & Body stuff. I like to stock up for gifts. So birthdays that are upcoming, you know, save up for the holidays and stuff like that. So first up, I got a couple of these Bath & Body Works Flavor Burst Lip Gloss. They are the Happy Birthday. And obviously, again, everything was on super, super sale. I got a Tutti Frutti Candy Body Wash. And the notes here are sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, and sugared lemon. Next up, I don't know if I'm going to keep this for myself. A couple of these I may keep for myself. Typically, I buy the soaps for me, and then everything else is gifting stuff. But this is the Strawberry Pound Cake Diamond Shimmer Mist. And I thought that would be really, really beautiful for like special occasions and or just for like summertime. I think it'll look really pretty on the skin. I also got, this is for me, hopefully I like it. It is the Iced Lemon Pound Cake Fine Fragrance Mist. Next up, I'm going to go into like the sets or like the giftables that I got. I got this set. This is the Luminous, the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream, and then a Moisturizing Body Wash. So when I gift this to somebody, I'll gift obviously both of them together. Next up, I got this Glowing Fruit Enzyme Exfoliating Body Wash. That's also a really big size, so these couple are for me. Next up, I got a few products from the Bourbon Strawberry and Vanilla line. I got the Body Wash, the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream, and then also the Fine Fragrance Mist, which that lid looks pretty grody, so don't know what happened there. May have to clean that or just explain it to whoever I give it to that I didn't do this. And the notes here for this one are Bourbon Vanilla, Garden Strawberry, Apricot Nectar, Pink Jasmine, and White Oak. So that also could be a little trio or a little gift collection for somebody. And then next up, I got the Calypso Clementine, and I got quite a few in this scent selection. So I'll probably either like break this up or do it as separate gifts or whatever. But in that, I got the Shea Butter Hand Cream, the little mini. I got the Fine Fragrance Mist, and I got a mini and a full size in this. The notes here are Juicy Clementine, Neroli Nectar, and Coastal Woods. So I can, you know, break this down and do them as different gifts. I also got the body wash. I also got the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. So I got all 5 of those in that scent selection. And everything here that I mentioned, I'll count it up in just a second. Everything here that I mentioned was less than $100, including my shipping and everything. It was like 89 bucks. Phenomenal deal, you guys. Phenomenal. So that is everything that I got in my massive Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I will pop the total items right here that I got. I love shopping in this way. I think it is a fantastic way, again, for me to stock up on all the soaps and the kind of everyday things that we use. And then I love to be able to save up and have gifts for throughout the year. If somebody has a birthday, somebody has something going on, I automatically can go into my little gift drawer and say, hey, let me pull this out, throw it in a bag. I have a gift, y'all, for very affordable. So yeah, that is my haul. What did you guys think? Again, what is your favorite scent from Bath & Body Works? What are your favorite products? I hope you'll stick around and consider subscribing and join my beauty family. Thank you for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. So that is everything in my massive... So that is everything that I got in the Bath & Body Works semi-scent.